Hola, en esta lección aprendemos sobre el presente progresivo o también se trata del verbo estar más gerundio. Estar is a helping verb and then the gerund is the English ing form, so like walking, talking, sleeping. So we're going to be using the present progressive to express an action in progress. For example, we are studying Spanish. In Spanish, it is not used to express future actions. So you know how we tend to say, this weekend I'm studying Spanish, but we're referring to the future? Spanish doesn't do that. Spanish will use the simple future and say, this weekend I am going to study Spanish. So este fin de semana voy a estudiar español. If we say estoy estudiando el español, that means I'm doing it right now. It is formed with the helping verb estar, so you'll conjugate estar. So remembering back, that's estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. And then the gerund form of your action verb. So for the action verbs, hablar, comer, and escribir are the three examples that we have. So we've got an AR verb, an ER verb, and an IR verb. So for AR verbs, what you do is you drop off the AR and you add ando, A-N-D-O. So hablar becomes hablando for speaking. Comer, comiendo, eating. Escribir, escribiendo, writing. So AR verbs are ando, and ER and IR verbs are yendo. But don't forget that estar at the front. Because if you just say hablando, it just means speaking. It doesn't say I am speaking, or it doesn't tell us who is speaking. So, example, estamos preparando la comida. We are preparing food. ¿Estás leyendo los poemas de Octavio Paz? Are you reading Octavio Paz's poems? Notice that we have something a little bit different on that last one. That comes from the verb leer. And so normally we would drop off the ER and then add IENDO. Well, in Spanish, we can't have three vowels next to each other, which is what you would have if you use the regular conjugation of the gerund. So to fix that, Spanish changes that I to a Y. All right. Has a little activity asking what people are doing. Okay. So I'll just go through these as an example. So we might say, ¿Qué está haciendo Raúl? Let me see if there's, oh, okay, there's subjects given for us. So, tú. So we could say, tú estás comiendo un sándwich. Yo estoy escribiendo una carta. Raúl y Sara están bailando. Eva está sirviendo café. She's serving coffee. La profesora está leyendo. Nosotros y el chico estamos hablando. We and the boy are talking. Okay? So that's the present progressive. Remember, there's two parts to it. Estar and then the gerund. Hasta luego.